Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, this is the balloon and this is our electric balloon pump. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon and the product price is at 22 euro. This is the product. I'm ordered the same color. In this video, we will see which types of product I'm receiving and what exactly look like electric balloon pump. I have some of the balloons we can see as a demo as well. So now let's start demonstration. Inside the box, I am receiving balloon as well. Sticker as well. So exactly we are receiving as they mention on the website. All those things. So inside here there's some too much stuff. There is on off button. Open from here. Here is the power cable. I just simply inside the box here the one important mentioning the important magic booklet and attached while the pump in use. Key important point they are mentioning there, so you should follow them. So here some of the basic key structures, like if you want use you can use like this. So we can just simply connect to the power. Oh, the generating too much noise as well, so I just simply try here. Like this, it's within a second you can fill out the air as well. So I just simply use here the big one. So let's see, just simply do like this and 1 2 3. So it's very easy, so you can use like this. So inside the box we receive lot of balloons, so I just simply use one of them and let's see, and then start. And this is the magic. So this is the worth it. So my personal recommendation, this is the worth it to spend 20 euro to purchase balloon electric pump. I already added the link in video description, and avoid spending too much time to decorate party or birthday in your house. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.